Floor plan inventory within System 5 is treated differently because your relationship with a floor plan vendor is different. The first indicator that you're dealing with a floor planned item is set against the subcategory. If we take a look at this list of inventory, you can see that the Bayliner subcategory is set to be floor planned. If we take a look at the items within that subcategory, they are going to be marked as inventory type floor plan. You have the option of floor plan or take advantage of the unit functionality and set them as floor plan plus units. To receive inventory of floor plan type into the system, navigate to the floor plan section and choose the new floor planning stock. New floor planning stock is no different than receiving inventory in of regular type. The difference will come at the time of receiving. When you receive, your bill due date is going to reflect the specific terms that you have with that vendor. So you'll see here that it's an extended period of time, and it's going to auto create the bill, and that bill is all going to be registered within some floor planned reporting that we have, allowing you to keep track of your floor planned items. You will see that this will take us right into the accounts payable bill. And at this time, we can add in a bill number. It has already been automatically linked to this receiving order of floor plan stock, and then we save the bill. Your reporting function is the floor plan checks. Available from the floor plan section within inventory and purchases, floor plan checks allows you to set criteria to give you the reporting that you want. If we choose our supplier, you can also run for all suppliers. However, if we choose our supplier and show in-stock product, we are going to see a listing of the boats that have been received in of floor plan type. Selling of floor planned inventory is no different than selling of regular inventory. Here we are selling one of our floor plan boats, and all we need to do at this point is to just cash out the invoice, and we'll see what that looks like on our reporting. Back to our reporting tool, floor plan checks. The power of the floor plan checks reporting is that it allows you to identify merchandise of floor plan type that has sold and has not been paid for yet. If the terms of your contract with your vendor are that items are paid promptly upon their sale or within a certain amount of time, this is going to provide you with that reporting to be able to show items that are sold but not yet paid for, and allow you to use this option here to create the checks. You will see that we are now going to be creating a check, so the new payment is for the single boat, and if we click on the create checks, it's going to prepare the floor plan checks. You're not going to see a check come out of your printer, but it is prepared in your accounts payable to match up with the next batch check run that you do, or you can navigate into accounts payable and cut the check right then and there.